Today I came to a place called Higashimurayama in Tokyo, and for the purpose I came here is because to see the iris flowers. So let's check it out. Hi guys, this is Dai from Japan Localized. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to thumbs up. Higashimurayama is located on the west side of Tokyo. It is easy to access by train from center of Tokyo, around 40 minutes ride. Higashimurayama is famous for Japanese people that the famous comedian Ken Shimura was born in this town. Also, it is famous for the iris flower gardens in Kitayama Park, which is our destination today. It is around 15 minutes walk to the Kitayama Park from the station, Higashimurayama West Exit. You can walk through the main street, but the traffic is busy and the pedestrian way is very narrow, so I recommend you to walk on the alley, which the Google Maps shows. The iris flowers bloom around beginning of June till middle of June. When you travel to Japan around June, don't forget to visit those iris gardens. So please enjoy the scenery from the Kitayama Park. Thank you very much for watching the video. I put all the information how to access to this Higashimurayama city, this park, on the description page, so don't forget to check it out. And I also put the 4K video about how to go to this beautiful park to see these iris flowers. Okay guys, so thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.